This includes Chain O Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Moraine Hills State Park, Lavinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. From the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., gusty showers and thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near O'Hare Airport to near Midway Airport to 13 nautical miles southwest of Hammond Marina, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 45 knots. Source, automated measurements. A 40 knots wind gust was measured at Chicago O'Hare with the line of gusty showers and thunderstorms. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Here is the nearshore marine